How to log into your Temu account easy method. Today I'm going to show you how to log into your Temu account if you're new to Temu or just need a quick refresher. This video will guide you through the process step by step, so let's dive right in. First things first, open Temu app or you can go to the Temu website. Now from there what you need to do is look for the sign in button. You'll find it at the top right corner of your screen. As you can see here, now you'll be prompted to simply tap on sign in and register. Here you'll be prompted to enter your email address or phone number associated with your Temu account. Simply type in your details here, or you can also sign in via your Google account as well. Simply tap on continue. And that's it. That's how you can simply sign in to your account, and you'll be logged into your Temu account and you're all start shopping.